Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by turning the clipboard history on so previous copies are saved. On Windows, press Win+V and follow the prompt to enable history. In Settings System, Clipboard, make sure Clipboard History is on. Once done, sign into your Microsoft account to sync if you need items across devices. This step matters because without it, the system only keeps the last copied item, so enabling history is the only built-in way to access multiple past copies. You now access and manage the history. Press Win+V to open the clipboard panel, and you'll see a list of recent items. Click any entry to paste it where the cursor is. Make sure to pin items you want to keep. Pinned entries won't be cleared. If something sensitive appears, delete single entries or choose Clear All to remove stored copies. Understanding these controls helps you balance convenience with privacy, since history stores multiple items until you clear or pin them. Finish by confirming things work and fixing common problems. If Win+V doesn't open, make sure clipboard history is enabled in Settings and restart the computer. Sometimes a reboot activates the service. If items are missing, remember some secure apps block clipboard capture, so those copies won't appear. Once everything is reliable, pin the snippets you reuse and optionally enable sync. If the built-in history still falls short, consider a reputable third-party clipboard manager.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.